Hello and welcome to the channel Your Guitar Guide, where I'm going to help you find your sound. Today I want to show you how to play chords and some notes at the same time. So if you're new to guitar and you want to learn some chords, or maybe you've been playing a while and you're tired of strumming chords and you want to play some notes with them, then you're in the right place, because that's what I'm going to show you today, some notes and chords played together on guitar. And that's coming up. Today I'm going to show you 4 chords, how to play them, and then I'm going to show you how to spruce things up and play some notes with the chords. And it's going to make it sound great. Instead of playing a C, G, and F like this, I want to show you how to play it like this. See how much better that sounds? So I'm going to show you note for note how to play this. And once you get all the pieces together, it's so much fun to play. So let's get to it. Alright, so here's the chords we need. A C. First finger on the first fret of the B string. Second finger is on the D string, the 4th string at the 2nd fret. Your third finger is on the A string at the 3rd fret. You're going to strum from the 5th string down. So that's the C. Then we're going to play the F chord. And this is the easy F chord, so you bar the 1st fret of the B and E string. Second finger is going to be on the G string at the 2nd fret, and your third finger's on the E string at the 3rd fret. And you're going to strum from the D string down. Then we need an F bar chord. So just move your first finger and bar across all the strings at the 1st fret. Your third finger is on the 3rd fret of the A string. Underneath is your pinky at the 3rd fret of the D string. Your second finger is going to be on the G string at the 2nd fret. Then we need to play a G. G major. Third finger is on the 3rd fret of the E string. Second finger is on the 2nd fret of the A string. And way down here on the high E string, 3rd fret, is your pinky. So now let me show you the notes we're going to play in between. First I'll show you what we're going to do and then how to play it. And that may look harder than it really is. So first we're going to play the C chord, and we're just going to pick the C note, which is right here on your A string, 3rd fret of the A string. And then strum the C chord. Then we're going to pick the B string, 2nd string, and hammer on to the string. So it's one pick, and then you hammer on with your 1st finger. That's a hammer on. So it's pick the C, strum the C chord, then pick the B string again, then go to the F chord and pick the D string. So it's and then we're going to pick the G string, open G string, 3rd fret of the D, 2nd fret of the D string, and back to the 3rd fret of the A string. So here's what we got. And then we just repeat that again. The second time around, you go to the G, and you're going to play the G chord, and you're going to pick the E string, strum the G, and then we're going to pick the D string open, and then the 2nd fret of the D string, and then D string open. And then the 3rd fret of the A string, pick it one time, and go to the F chord, the F bar chord, pick the E string, strum the F chord, and then so it's 3 in the E string, open A, 2, 3, open D, and 2 on the D string. Open A, 2, 3, open D, 2, back to C. What'll make it a lot easier is if you get the tab for this. I've tabbed it out, and check the link in the description for that. When you sign up for Patreon, I've got all kinds of tabs there, so check it out. If you've learned anything today, can you give the video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and click the bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you want more guitar lessons like this, check out the next video. Thanks.